Welcome to Beautyistic. Have you ever wondered if the right serum could really turn back the clock? Well, today we're diving into the Clinique Smart Clinical Repair Wrinkle Correcting Face Serum with Hyaluronic Acid, Peptides, and Advanced Retinoid. This serum promises to target lines and wrinkles while giving your skin a powerful dose of hydration. Let's break down exactly what makes this serum stand out. First off, Clinique claims that this formula works to visibly repair lines and wrinkles, which sounds great, but how does it actually perform in real life? This serum is designed for all skin types, so it doesn't matter if you're oily, dry, or somewhere in between. It boasts a mix of heavy hitters in the skincare world: hyaluronic acid, peptides, and an advanced retinoid. Hyaluronic acid is known for its ability to pull moisture into the skin, instantly plumping up fine lines. Peptides are the building blocks of skin, helping to encourage the skin's natural repair process. And then there's retinoid, which is an ingredient that promotes cell turnover, making your skin look smoother and more youthful over time. When I first started using this serum, I was immediately struck by its lightweight texture. It has a silky finish and absorbs quickly without leaving any greasy residue. The lack of fragrance is a huge plus for me, especially with products that are meant to be used daily and close to the skin. I applied it every night as part of my routine, and I noticed that the serum feels incredibly hydrating, but it's not overwhelming for the skin. It left me with a soft, smooth texture that felt nourished rather than slick. In terms of real-world testing, I used this serum for a few weeks before my wedding, where I was aiming for an extra glowy, smooth complexion. It definitely helped reduce the appearance of my fine lines around my eyes and mouth, giving my skin a smoother, plumper look. That subtle hydration really helped the serum work well alongside my other products without piling up or making my skin feel heavy. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons of this serum. On the plus side, it's incredibly hydrating without being too heavy. The ingredients are well known for their skin benefits, and I noticed visible improvements in my skin's texture and appearance. It felt more firm, and the fine lines did appear less pronounced. On the downside, while it works well for hydration and smoothing the skin, it's not the most potent product I've used for deep wrinkle correction. If you're expecting dramatic results from just one bottle, it may take longer to see noticeable changes, especially with deeper lines. As for value for money, the price may be on the higher end, but for a serum packed with quality ingredients like hyaluronic acid, retinoid, and peptides, it seems justifiable. If you're willing to invest in a product that combines anti-aging and hydration in one step, this could be a good pick. When comparing it to similar products, Clinique's serum is certainly up there in terms of quality, though there are other options with similar active ingredients at a slightly lower price point. For example, the Neutrogena Hydro Boost Hydrating Serum also features hyaluronic acid and is a good alternative if you're looking for something more budget-friendly. In terms of build quality, the packaging is sleek and the pump design ensures you're not wasting any product. I do appreciate that Clinique kept the formula unscented, making it more suitable for sensitive skin types. It's worth noting, however, that serums with retinoids do require consistent use to see long-term benefits, so don't expect an overnight miracle. If you're not sure about whether this serum is worth the investment, consider other alternatives. Some budget-friendly brands, like The Ordinary, also offer retinoid-infused serums that can provide similar benefits at a lower price. To wrap up, I'd say that the Clinique Smart Clinical Repair Wrinkle Correcting Serum is a solid anti-aging product that delivers on hydration and smoother skin. While it might not be a game changer for deep wrinkles, it's a great addition to your skincare routine if you're looking to maintain a youthful glow and hydrate your skin at the same time. If you're finding this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us continue to make honest reviews like this one. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.